Here's a short tutorial on how to use Toonkit. Let's start by creating a character sheet. For the prompt, I'm going to use ChatGPT. That way, the description comes out much more detailed. I write what I want and ChatGPT fills in the rest. Now copy and paste that description into Toonkit. I like what Toonkit created, so let's take this image and run it through Toonkit's built-in character asset sheet. Toonkit does a fantastic job here. It highlights details I completely missed in my initial design. We'll repeat the same process for our main character's friend, and again for the monster they'll be fighting. And of course, we need a place for the story to happen. So for the location, we'll use the built-in background asset. Now we have all our elements. Let's go into Canvas and start building the project. We begin by adding our nodes. Every element we're using for this scene comes into the canvas. Click the plus sign on the image, then click the video icon. That's how we generate video from this image. This scene uses all of our elements, so let's bring every image into the same video generator.
Let's use Claude AI.
I'll have it describe the action scene I want, 10 seconds long, and I'll make sure it writes out the timestamps for the action. Copy that into the video generation, then start tagging the right elements for the scene. Once that's done, hit generate. Let Toonkit take its time. And when it finishes, you've got your 10-second animation. But of course, it all comes down to story. In the age of AI, storytelling is a skill every creator needs. If that's where you're standing right now, I have a storyboard masterclass that condenses my 20 years as a storyboard artist in Hollywood. It teaches the art of storyboarding and the art of storytelling. Check out the course if that speaks to you. Coming back to Toonkit, I'll be exploring more of what it can do, but I already see it as a powerful way to create animation with AI.